Today we are going to learn how to make this rating system in Figma in just 3 steps. Create a local variables of color and name them as shown. Create a string variable and set the default value to rate us. Add a star, change its size. And round those corners. And connect the star as color 1. Add auto layout. Add text and connect the variable. Select both and add an auto layout. Switch to prototype and use these settings. Duplicate the star 4 times and change prototyping setting as such. Now connect each star to their respective colors. If your default values are not compatible with your design, change the color in the local variable.